Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Claude app not working. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is with your network. Next, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the Claude app, swipe it away completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. If the app still does not work, restart your phone. Restarting can fix temporary system glitches that stop the app from running. You can also clear your app's cache, but that is only possible on Android. Go to your settings and then search for apps and select Claude and then tap storage and then tap clear cache. Finally, head over to your app store or your Play Store. Then search for Claude and then make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store again, search for the app and download it.